So today we're at Grasmere, and the plan for the day is to walk up by the side of Sour Milk Gill, lovely name, to Easedale Tarn, which isn't too far away, not too much of a trek. And then if I've got enough energy left, probably do Codale Tarn, which is a bit further on. I was planning to go to Great Langdale and do some higher tarns, but I've just not got the energy because yesterday I did the Fairfield Horseshoe, which is 10 miles and 3,400 feet of ascent. So I thought I'd have an easier day today. And also it's a good idea to not do too much today because it's very hot. Yesterday it was about 24 degrees. Today it's going to be similar, so I need to just pace myself, plenty of liquids, but it's going to be a nice day. Thank you.